Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today I'm going to make air refreshener spray to spray our room. It will also serve as antibacterial because of the alcohol presence in it. It is freshening spray and it's antibacterial. Why someone will ask why alcohol? Won't the smell of the alcohol stay in the room? No, the smell of the alcohol evaporates once you spray the room, so you wouldn't feel there's even alcohol in the solution. And also the alcohol helps mix the perfume very well. I'm going to use polysorbate, which is also going to serve as fixative. It will help the smell to stay longer, the perfume to stay longer. And then I'm going to use water too. So let's stay back and enjoy. If you have any questions, you can send me via WhatsApp or email. My numbers will be on the screen, or you can even call if you are in Ghana. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Once you use alcohol, you don't need any preservative because the alcohol will serve as preservative, and it will not create any problem with mold and whatever bacteria. So now to the measurement, I'm going to measure 5% of perfume, 5% of polysorbate because the quantity of perfume should always equal polysorbate. I'm using polysorbate 20. Polysorbate 20 dissolves more in water, whilst polysorbate 80 dissolves more in oils. So I'm going to use polysorbate 20, 5%, perfume 5%, alcohol 10%. When you are using perfume and alcohol, the ratio should always be 1:2. That's one part of perfume and then two parts of alcohol. So this is what I'm going to do. So you just have to measure your polysorbate, your perfume, and then you just add them together and then mix in no particular order. You can either pour in your alcohol first, add your perfume mix, and then add the polysorbate, or you can mix the polysorbate with your perfume and then add the alcohol later. They will all come out the same way. You will do this before you add the water. That's the only secret. Someone was asking me in my previous video that why do I measure liquids in grams? The scale I have is in grams and I'm more comfortable measuring in grams. That's why even in liquids, I measure them in grams. If you have mil and then ounce and the rest, you can measure your product in those units. But I prefer grams in measuring almost everything that I do. The polysorbate here to act as fixative. That is, it makes the smell last longer. Yes, the polysorbate makes the smell last longer. It does not allow it to evaporate fast from the content. That's why we add polysorbate. And mostly polysorbate gives uh, cloudy or whitish or creamy nature when it's added to water. That's how it turns up. And sometimes too, it depends on the perfume that you use. You might not get a cloudy refreshener. That does not mean you are making a mistake or you are doing something wrong. So after mixing the four ingredients, you then have to go ahead and pour into your bottle. Any spray can will do. Any spray can. This perfume is very, very powerful and it stays in your room longer. It's like the one that you buy from the market. That's how it is done. This type of perfume, this is how it is done. Normally, when you go and buy it, you will see ingredients, fragrance, and then alcohol, but they've added other things, which is the polysorbate and then water. So this is what I'm teaching you right now. So you can do this and then sell. There's nothing wrong with it. This is all that is done and they send it to the market. All you need to have is FDA approval and you are good to go. I like doing the right thing, so normally I prefer everything to pass through FDA before I send it to the market. So all my products are FDA approved. So thank you all for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my
This is
channel.
the final
And also
product.
you can
All you
WhatsApp
have to
me
do is to
or call
label it.
me. My number will be on the
That's
screen.
all.
And also you
So
can
you can either
email
use
me
onto any spray
concerning anything that is
is
bothering your
okay.
mind with
Then
this
use it
video
as
or
well.
any of my videos.
Instead of
I
buying it
have
at an
4 different
expensive price.
of air freshness. I will leave the links in the description box below. You can go there and check those one too. Thank you all for watching.